Over 40 years of determination in its operation and continual development in the academic studies and research in dermatology. Together with the provision of high-quality medical treatment for various skin ailments in accordance with set standards. The Institute of Dermatology, Department of Medical Services, Ministry of Public Health, was established due to the initiatives of a group of doctors belonging to the Association of Dermatologists. Their intention was for Thailand to have its own specialized medical institution in this field, and their hope was for such establishment to be developed into a center for the studying and researching on tropical skin diseases in Thailand, utilizing the research results for the benefit of all Thai people. The number of doctors and nurses began with only 50. They worked together, studied, carried out research work, and took care of over 5,000 patients in its first year of service. The figure rose over 20,000 in the subsequent year and reaching the level of 180,000 per year at the present time. The Institute of Dermatology has developed and improved its facilities and medical equipment used in the diagnosing and treating of dermatological patients in order to provide modern medical services that are conducted to set standards and are convenient for the recipients. Apart from this, in order to increase the potentials and capabilities of the Institute's personnel, training programs have been arranged at the national and international levels, and related research works have been encouraged to maintain their knowledge up to date. Under the vision of becoming a leading academic institution in the field of dermatology in the Asian region by the year 2014. The following missions are the Institute's designated commitment. 1. To study, research and develop deep or integrated knowledge in the field of dermatology according to the set international standards. 2. To transfer this wealth of knowledge to others and enable it to be appropriately adopted into use. Also to develop high-quality specialized personnel. 3. To appropriately treat skin patients in keeping with set standards, bearing in mind the satisfaction of service recipients. This also includes systematically and efficiently solving important and urgent health problems of the people. In order that the operations within the Institute may continuously proceed and be able to provide services of the highest quality to the public, the Institute of Dermatology has therefore divided its tasks into 3 groups of missions as follows. 1. Administrative Mission Group. 2. Academic Mission Group. 3. Academic Services Mission Group. With a strong determination in providing modern and more satisfactory services to patients who attend the Institute of Dermatology, services are therefore offered in diagnosing and treating skin diseases, including the admission of patients with serious conditions into the Institute. Doctors with knowledge and expertise in the field of dermatology, ready with modern equipment, will be available to look after over 500 patients per day. There are subspecialty clinics providing special tests that are beneficial to patients and carrying out studies and research on particular diseases. These clinics are an ultraviolet light treatment clinic, a contact dermatitis clinic, a children's skin clinic, a genetic diseases clinic, and an immunology clinic. Importantly, with the aim of developing the quality of treatment to achieve the international standards, the Institute has set up a modern laboratory that can develop and incorporate its academic works into the services provision and can help in solving people's health problems. Apart from providing skin diseases treatment during the official hours, the Institute has also arranged for a special clinic to be opened after the official hours to offer services to those who are unable to attend for diagnosis and treatment during that period. As laser surgery is receiving a lot of attention from the general public, together with the rapid development of its technology, the Institute of Dermatology has therefore opened a laser surgery center in order that the general public will receive appropriate services according to the set standards. It offers laser treatments for various skin conditions such as warts, skin tumors, varicose veins, as well as the eradication of hair, the removal of tattoos, and the treatment of freckles, black and red moles. Global warming has resulted in the sunlight being too strong and greatly affecting the skin. The Bioradiology Mission Group has provided a test for skin diseases caused by reaction to sunlight. It also offers treatment for some chronic skin complaints, for example, psoriasis and vitiligo, using the ultraviolet light, namely PUVA, narrowband UVB, and photodynamic therapy. Contact dermatitis is another commonly found skin disease. The Institute of Dermatology realizes the importance of this ailment and therefore provides a service to the people in testing for the cause of allergy and in treating the condition. This covers allergies due to drugs, cosmetics, substances released in the surroundings that are related to their occupations, environment, and additives that are mixed in the daily domestic items of use of the patients. Immunology is another field of technology used in the diagnosis of diseases, including the analysis of tissue specimens, blood and lymphatic fluids, and the utilizing of a fluorescent microscope in detecting antibodies. Genetic work at the molecular level mostly involves research in the field of genetic disease diagnosis. However, nowadays, they have been used in the clinical management of patients as they have important roles in determining the disease prognosis, planning and carrying out the treatment and the monitoring of complications. As the said research studies required a modern facility of an international standard, the Institute of Dermatology therefore constructed a molecular genetic laboratory and provided equipment for the work. Multi-center research has been carried out with establishments in foreign countries, for example, the United Kingdom, in order to achieve the Institute of Dermatology's vision and mission. The Cutaneous Infection Working Group is a new group that has been separated from the Pathology Working Group, with the principal role of providing services for the diagnosis of skin infection from various samples sent to the laboratory. It also develops and supports dermatology training and research that are of international standards. The Infection Clinic is another specialty clinic that provides consultation, care and treatment for patients with all types of skin infections, such as those caused by bacteria, fungi, viruses and parasites that pose problems in the diagnosis and treatment. Hair and Nail Division is a new division that was established in 2011. We plan to open a comprehensive hair and nail clinic in 2012 with a full service of modern and efficient equipment, including both medical and surgical treatments. Not only do we focus on clinical diagnosis and treatments of hair and nail disorders, we also make an effort on research development in order to take the best care of patients and be the tertiary and academic excellence center for dermatologists as set in the Institute's vision. The Institute has also fungal and bacterial laboratories. The Institute has set up a bioengineering center to study and analyze people's skin conditions, to learn the efficiency of drugs used on the skin, as well as cosmetics applied on their skin, in relation to the surrounding environment, weather condition, and the ethnic differences in their skin colors. Besides treatment and services provided, The Institute also arranged for the knowledge to be disseminated via its library facility, which has the most up-to-date collection of textbooks and journals on dermatology in Thailand. The general public can also benefit from correct and up-to-date knowledge on skin diseases being distributed through various types of media used by the Institute. On the aspect of the transfer of knowledge, the development of specialized personnel is also regarded as a main mission of the Institute, the importance of which is always at the same level as that of services. This can be seen from various short and long-term courses attended by doctors and medical personnel, namely